First of all, we discuss concept of farming system. Farming system is an integrated set of activities that farmers perform in their farms under their resources and circumstances to maximize the productivity and net farm income on sustainable basis. Farming system is defined as a complex interrelated matrix of soil, plants, animals, implements, power, labor, capitals, and other inputs controlled in part by farming families and influenced to varying degree by political, economic, institutional, and social forces that operate at many levels. The farming system therefore refers to the farm as entity of interdependent farming enterprises carried out on the farm. Introduction: Integrated farming is a whole farm management system which aims to deliver more sustainable agriculture. Farming is a process of harnessing solar energy in the form of economic plant and animal products. System implies a set of practices and process organized into functional entity. It is based on concept that there is no waste and waste is only a misplaced resource which become valuable material for another product. The integrated farming system is defined as a biological integrated farming system which integrates natural resources regulation mechanisms into farming activities to achieve maximum replacement of farm inputs. Second, secure sustainable production of high quality food and other products through ecological proper technologies. Third, sustain farm income and reduce source of present environment pollutions generated by agriculture and sustains the multiple function of agriculture. There is problem of present day agriculture. Number one, decline in factor productivities, static or decline in food production, increasing malnutrition, shrinkage in net cultivable area, increasing environmental pollution, depleting groundwater table, increasing cost of production, low farm income, increasing unemployment, decline in agriculture growth rate. Goals of integrated farming system. The main goal of integrated farming system is maximization of yield of all component enterprises to provide steady and stable income. Next, rejuvenation of system productivity and achieve agroecological equilibrium. Avoid buildup of insect pest diseases and weed population through natural cropping system and keep them at low level of intensity and reducing use of chemicals. Objective of integrated farming system. Number one, it should be area specific, formulate models involving main allied enterprises for different farming situations. It should ensure optimal utilization and conservation of available resources with efficient recycling within each system included. It should raise the net return of the farm household by complementing main activities with allied enterprises. It should address the nutrition insecurity of resource-poor farmers, vulnerability and poverty of landless laborers. There are different components of integrated farming system. Number one, field crops, crop production, vegetables, fruit cultivation, poultry farming, livestock integration, ductry, aquaculture, agroforestry, beekeeping, mushroom cultivation, and biogas plant. Elements of integrated farming system through which this system is built up. Watersheds, farm ponds, biopesticides, biofertilizer, plant products as pesticide, biogas, solar energy, compost making, green manuring, rainwater harvesting. The model of integrated farming system are agriculture plus livestock, agricultural plus livestock and poultry, horticulture plus fish culture plus poultry, pig cum fish culture, agriculture plus silvipasture, sericulture, fish culture, fish culture and sericulture, agriculture which is rice plus fish mushroom cultivation, agriculture plus dairy and poultry, poultry plus fish culture. Advantages of integrated farming system. It increased the productivity through increased economic yield per unit area per time. It improved profitability achieved due to recycling of waste of enterprises as energy inputs for other systems. It greater sustainability in production. Integration of different production systems, which means that solve the problem of malnutrition, is the advantages of integrated farming system. Conclusion: the integration of fish with livestock and agriculture need to be viewed because this activity can go a long way in the uplift of rural life through manifold increase in return on investment. Integrated farming system seems to be the answer to the problems of increasing food production for increasing income and for improving nutrition of the small-scale farmers with limited resources without any adverse effect on environment and agro ecosystem. Reference and thank you.